Hey friends, Sarah here. I just wanted to hop on real quick and say that we won't have any Making It Monday or Tutorial Tuesday videos this coming week of June 13th. Being that Sunday's Father's Day, my husband normally edits my videos. I record them ahead of time on Saturdays, and he records them, or edits them rather, on Sundays. And because of Father's Day, we're going to be out of town visiting our kids. So I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that there won't be any videos, unfortunately, next week. But stay tuned, because I do have a lot of really neat ideas in store that, I'm doing some brainstorming and things like that for boho stitchery. So stay tuned, and we will see you guys not this week, next week, but the week after. So we'll see you guys then. Hope everyone's having a safe time, and happy Father's Day to you dads out there. And we will see you in a couple weeks. Bye.